At the time of this recording, yesterday was one of the biggest events in the history of Lamborghini. Actually, it might have been the biggest event that has ever happened in the Italian brand. I have made literally like 6 videos at this point about just the Revuelto, so if you want to go check out all 6 of them, and I'm not going to talk about any of the specs or my thoughts on the car because I have literally explained it in 6 videos so far, and it has become one of my dream cars like that. So in today's video, I will be speccing my dream spec of the Lamborghini Revuelto. But before we start the video, make sure you're following my Lamborghini Revuelto Instagram account because I'm uploading daily on that thing. It'll give you every single bit of content about the Revuelto that you would ever need. So make sure you go follow this link in the description down below. Again, I'm super active on that page and I would love to see your Revuelto photos. And also there will be a link in the description down below to spec your Revuelto. So tell me in the comments down below how you would spec yours because I'm super interested to see how you would spec it. But anyway, let's get on to mine. So if you haven't already, just subscribe down below to help me achieve my dream of becoming a successful YouTuber. I make all types of content on this channel, from everything from car reviews, vlogs, to my personal opinions, to redesigning cars, to short videos, and even informative videos. So basically every single thing a car person will want in a YouTube channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below again, and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I make a new video. Check out all 6 of these videos I have of the Revuelto so far. I can't believe it's already been that many videos that I've made just about the Revuelto. So all 6 of those links will be down in the description. But anyway, we have to go to the Lamborghini website first, so let's just skedaddle and do this. Okay.
I can't believe I just said skedaddle.
Alright, the first thing you see on the Lamborghini website is the Revuelto thing. Accept all cookies. What the heck is cookies even for? But just we're gonna click that because we can go to configurator, create your Revuelto. Oh gosh, that looks so cool. Okay, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Now let's go to the Revuelto. I think they oh no, they took out the Aventador. Okay, so this is the base spec. We can just go to the exterior first, so we're gonna just look through the colors. The base offer, let's see what we have. We have Arancia Borealis, Bianco Monoceros, Blue Astreus, Blue Helios, Giallo Inti, Grigio Nimbus, Nero Helene, Nero Noctis, Rosso Anteros, Rosso Mars, Verde Lares, and Verde Mantis. I know I pronounced most of those things wrong, so just make fun of me all you want in the comments. Okay, so now we go to the Sportiva section, which is the shiny colors as they advertised, and that includes Arancio Exanto, Bianco Asopo, Blue Nathinus, Giallo Balenis, Grigio Telesto, Viola Pacife, which is, I might pick that, just a spoiler alert, and Verde Selvins. And then the matte section for the Sportiva section is Arancio Exanto Matte, Bianco Asopo Matte, Blue Aegeus, Giallo Fides, Grigio Titans, Verde Alico, and Viola Nebula. And then we go to the next one, which is Contemporarina. No, I said that wrong. We have Arancio Bariciato, Balloon White, Blue Aguirre, Blue Oceanos, Bronzo Zante, Grigio Artist Lucido, and Rosso Afesto, and the last one is Verde Gui Lucido. And then we go to, oh my gosh, there is more. Bianco Serdile, Blue Cephas, Blue Uranus, Oro Elios, Verde Citria, Viola Bast. Okay, so Lamborghini actually did say at the revealing that there will be over 400 colors for the Revuelto. 400 colors for one gosh dang car. Like, I know it's the flagship and everything, but 400 colors? How did they get the time to even like differentiate every single one of them? Okay, so I'm just gonna look through all of these. I'm not even gonna name anymore at this point because I don't want to do much of that. So we're gonna go to the Classica. We have Giallo. I know that's gonna look super good on it. I think I've actually seen a few pictures on Instagram. Again, you can go follow my Lamborghini Revuelto Instagram account, link in the description down below for that. They have a Technica section for the color. I don't know what that would mean. Okay, so it's all matte, and we go to the Ad Personam, which is sort of the MSO division or the Ferrari tailor-made division of Lamborghini, but I think I'm pretty much just gonna go with Blue Helios. I think that would look, honestly, it's super cool. I kind of want it a little bit darker than that. Viola Pacife. I knew I was going to choose this, honestly. I like Viola Pacife. It looks so good under the sun. In person, it's just an absolutely stunning color. If I ever would get a Lamborghini, which one day I will, not hope to, I will, I'm going to paint it Viola Pacife or Pacife, whatever the heck it's called, because that's just such a stunning color. It's one of my favorite colors in the world. Now let's go to the rims. Now, the first one are the rims Alterano 21 and 22 inches forged. Then we have the rims Tirigo 20. Okay, there's a lot of options for that one. But let's just go to the rims versus, casted 20 and 21 inches. No, I do not want that. Then we have the tires, the rim bolts in titanium. I guess we'll choose that. Now we can go to the wheel cap in matte carbon. Why not? It just makes the spec a little bit cooler. I'm gonna go with the the second option, that is, and that is the rims Turigio matte titanium. Yeah, I think those wheels look pretty good, but I'm probably gonna go with like the bronze finish or something, because I think bronze and purple go very, very, very well together. It's an absolute top spec. And top spec, I know you're not watching this, but if you are, promote this on your thing.
You're not gonna know.
Okay, so the third sort of section is the calipers. Now the first one is basically black, the second one's basically red, the third one's basically yellow, the fourth one's basically rosso, which is a deeper red, I guess. The fourth one is Argento CCB, which means carbon ceramic brakes, calipers, and wait, so carbon ceramic brakes aren't even standard on this? I'm kind of confused. Maybe the green, the last option, because, Joker spec, Lamborghinis. I've seen an SVJ in an absolute Joker spec. It's so cool. Like, Lamborghinis would be the only car company to pull this off. But, yeah, I think I'm going to go with, like, this sort of neon-ish green color for the brake calipers. And then we are going to go to the top view. And now we have the engine grid in titanium. That would save a lot of weight, but I think the standard option is carbon fiber. I'm not sure which one would actually save the most weight, but yeah, I guess we're just going to choose that option. Then we have the details, style packages. Let's go for the high gloss pack, and then we have the second one, which is the body color, and I think I kind of want it in the body color, but I kind of like the all black finish, or the black accents that are on the Revuelto. It makes it look more of like an alien spaceship, but the body color kind of makes it look like a Lycan Hypersport. So maybe I'm just going to stick with the gloss package, and then we go to the last one for the exterior, which is the liveries and stickers. And the first one is livery with stripe on rear diffuser, and Arancio DAC, and it's a whole bunch of colors: blue, bronze-ish, sort of orange, red, green, and like a lime green, and then a dark green-ish color. The configurator is being very, very, very slow, but that's in typical Lamborghini fashion, honestly. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna skip this because it's literally not even letting me do anything, so we're just gonna X out of that. And then we go to the interior, which is the brand new interior for the Revuelto. It actually is way more spacious than the Aventador's, which was pretty cramped, but I'm only 5'7", so I'm not like a giant or anything. I'm very, very short, so the Aventador felt decent for me. But let's go to the contrast colored trim first, and then we have the Sportiva trim, the Classica trim, the unicolor leather and Corsa text with contrast stitching and piping. That's a tongue twister. And unicolor leather and Corsa text. I think I'm going to choose the last option, which is unicolor. And
Bro, I'm so confused.
let's just try to do this. Configurator is very confusing. Like, it's honestly being difficult. Let's try to do that. I'm trying to go to, what the heck is happening? The Sportiva trim, you could do like a multicolor seat, so I think I'm gonna try out that one. Because I do want multicolor or multiple colors on mine. I'm gonna do a black contrast first, or black for the basic interior color. And then I love the Aventador interior, the original spec, where it had the orange and black accents. I think that's such a good looking interior in terms of the spec. So I think this would be a good interior, like the launch spec of the Revuelto, to have it like this, but it doesn't really fit with the exterior, so we're gonna have to do something else. Verde Scandal is something what I did like on the calipers, so we're gonna try to do that. Maybe I don't know if it'll work. Blur Uranus.
I'm childish.
Oh, shoot. Good gosh, that is cool. Okay, yeah, we are going to do that. And then we're going to go to the seat belts, fully electric and heated seats. Good lord, you have that in a Lamborghini Aventador now, or the Revuelto, I mean. I didn't know you could even have heated seats in a Lamborghini supercar until like just now. The seat belts, I don't know why that's an option. So we're going to go to the next one, additional upholstery. Yes, we already have that equipped. The roof panel door, I don't really care. The Corsa text pack for the Sportiva trim, that's like leather. It's basically like the basic seat is leather, and then the contrast, which is sort of the Alcantara piece, is Alcantara. I hope I explained that correctly, but I know I didn't. I like my leather steering wheels. And then we go to the last one, which is the equipment. Passenger display already equipped. Cup holders on dashboard. Cup holders on dashboard, I don't think that would look very good. But you do need cup holders in this thing because obviously you won't have it in the doors. If you want a Revuelto and if you want to daily this thing, and if you want to get fast food in it with all the YouTube videos that are going to come up with this through the McDonald's drive-thru, you need cup holders for that. And then we go to the last one, which is the options. The ground assistance pack, the parking pack, and the high assistant. We're just going to put all of those because I don't see why we wouldn't put that. And then we go to the smartphone interface and connected services. Heck yes. Then we go to the Lamborghini Connect vehicle tracking system. Yes. Lamborghini warranty 4th year. Yes. Lamborghini warranty 5th year. Yes. Lamborghini protective film. Yes. And then we go to next because that means our car is basically completed, and this is my spec of the Lamborghini Revuelto. So we're just going to go through a rundown of the list of what we have on this thing. I think it's a really good spec. It's like a Joker sort of spec on this thing. Okay, so one of my friends down in Jacksonville named Darren, he actually ordered the Revuelto in literally almost the exact same spec as what I spec'd mine in. So we technically ordered my spec except with very minor differences to the entire spec. So we basically ordered it, but
My net worth is probably like 2 pennies in a dead battery.
I know it looks good because I've seen this spec in person on an SVJ, so I know the Revuelto will look really good in this, and I think Viola Parsife or Pacife, whatever the heck it's called, is going to look so good with all the body lines that are sharp on the Revuelto. So that is my spec for the Lamborghini Revuelto, and say hello to mine. And if you want to spec yours, link in the description down below. But that is basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, please give it a like and subscribe down below if you haven't already to help me achieve my dream of becoming a successful YouTuber. I make all types of content on this channel, from everything from car reviews, vlogs to my personal opinions, to redesigning cars with short videos, and even informative videos, and occasional cinematic videos. So make sure you subscribe down below to help me achieve my dream again. And I make basically every single thing a car person would want in a YouTube channel. But again, spec your Revuelto down in the comments below and tell me how you would spec yours, because I'm really interested to see how you would spec it, because it's such a cool looking thing and it's such an important car for me. And if you want to go check out my other 6 videos, I explain in every single one of them why it's so important to me. That is basically it for today's video. Tell me what you think about my spec, and I do hope to see you in a future video, and bye for now.
Please subscribe, lol, I have big dreams on YouTube.
But that is basically it for today's video. If you didn't just... Oh gosh. Revuelto. Shoot, I just hit the thing. Oh god. Oh, that hurts my eyes. Crap. I gotta stop the video, man.